right, guys, I'm just going to show you a quick little tidbit on the iifym.com I told you about with macro dieting. Just a little walkthrough virtually to prove that this isn't some kind of hoax or pyramid scheme. So step 1 is the one we're doing today, the free macro calculator. Steps 2 and 3 do cost money. I have never used them. That's what I'm here for. So you're going to select if you're a woman or man. You're going to change your age. You're going to scroll down, you're going to put in your height, your current weight, and your goal weight. Please be honest about your current weight. Be honest about your goal weight. Don't go insane trying to weigh 105 pounds soaking wet unless you're like 5 foot, like my mom. And we're going to scroll down to your estimated body fat. This is the big one. You're going to press the question mark. You'll see it's going to pop up in a new window with some, just lovely images of people. I am probably between 25 and 30% myself, a little quarantine 15 action. So you want to select honestly what you think you are. And then you're going to choose the type of activity. Again, give yourself credit. If you are pretty active in the house, moving around, going upstairs constantly, you want to give that to yourself. And then also here in the weightlifting and you'll see cardio and group fitness here. That you're going to want to be honest with yourself as well. Don't undercut yourself. Don't over qualify yourself for these options. I suggest the steady and sustainable option on how fast you want to lose weight. I think that's reasonable. And I hope and assume most of you are standard Western, although I do have a few vegetarian friends. So you'll hit none because I'm your macro coach. I'm a total pro. And then you just put in your first name, email address. You guys are welcome to use this email address to email me questions or concerns or problems you might face. And then you'll scroll, hit heck yes, and then hit show me the results. And there you have it. That's what I get to eat every day, the breakdown. For the second part of our macro calculations, we're going to search for MyFitnessPal in your Google Play Store or your iTunes Store and download the calorie counter from MyFitnessPal. You can see mine's already downloaded, so I'm just going to select open, and it's going to take me to my home page where I can put in my daily stuff. But first I'm going to go to the menu options on the top to make sure my macros are up to date. I'm scrolling down to where you see goals. And under nutrition goals, you'll see calorie, carbs, protein, and fat goals. That's what I'm going to select. So right there you have it. It's very simple. You just put in the percentages. Now, I'm going to click on this in a second here. What's going to happen is this program is done by percentages for the free version. So I can only access those, which gets you close to your macro numbers, but not quite spot on. So you'll just have to monitor that on your own. So next I'm going to go to my diary so I can put in my breakfast for this morning. Just a quick heads up, if you are new to MyFitnessPal and you download it for the first time, you make an account. It's a little bit more lengthy of a process because it asks you a multitude of questions like your diet, your weight, your height, and all that. But we're not using the MyFitnessPal diet plan. We are using our own. So you can just bypass all of that by putting in vague numbers. So there's my breakfast for this morning. That's my remaining on the top in the green. I'm just going to show you where you can track your nutrition under the menu options right here. There's 3 different views: the calories, the nutrients, and of course the macros. This is my favorite view.